Hi friend, welcome to episode 3 Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10 Bank Nifty Trading Growth like a Gardener. In today's episode, I will describe about the condition 1 that generates quick movement. In this Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10 Excel, you can use it to generate Bank Nifty trade using that Excel. Just what you have to do is to enter the couple of data from the free website. You can check it from TradingView. I do prefer TradingView. You can check the TradingView data Bank Nifty, and you have to enter the open, high, low, close of the first 15-minute candle along with the 8 period exponential data over this Excel, and this Excel will guide you exactly what is the trade today, how the trade you should manage, what should be your stop loss, what should be your target. Everything this Excel will do for you automatically. I will show you today's trade exactly step by step what you need to do, where you will place the stop, and how this Excel has delivered the trade. But before that, I want to clear you one important trading philosophy we use to discuss with all of the students we have. And this trading philosophy is we call growth like a gardener. See, you should practice the art of being good enough in one things, and you should water your plants once a day. That means you should trade only once a day. This Bank Nifty Trading Excel gives you one single trade every day. You have to trade at 9:30 fixed time so that you can enjoy your whole day. But remember, a gardener know that he need a flexible plan because of the conditions of weather. His plant may grow in different way even if he nurtured the plant in same manner. That means when we will trade the Bank Nifty, the market conditions is like weather, that ever changing things. So we cannot approach trading with a very stringent one not so flexible set of rule. Our trading plan should be flexible. That is the reason in this Banknifty Trading Pro 2.0, we find at least three different market condition: condition 1, conditions 2, and conditions 3. Which condition is apt for the day will automatically given and indicate by this Excel. And accordingly, in each conditions 1, conditions 2, or conditions 3, whatever may be the condition, you will find the exact plan where you will place your buy order, where you will place your sell order, what will be your exit plan, and everything, the target, alternative target, everything. I will show you today's trade first. So what you have to do is that you have to go to the tradingview.com. We use tradingview.com as a free charting software. Now you have to select the Bank Nifty Index Future, the continuous contract, current contract in front, and you have to select the 15-minute candlestick chart. Also, you need to plot a 8 period exponential moving average. I believe that you will able to do it easily. I am not describing in this video how to plot the 8 period exponential moving average. Then what you have to do, you just need to, everything is given here and the instruction is given already here. Let me show you the instructions. So I have given the instructions here, step by step in instruction, 1 2 3 4 5 step, and you are ready. But now I will show you exactly what you have to do. So After first candle appears in the chart, that means at 9:30 you have to enter the few data. What kind of data? The open, high, low, close data and 8-period exponential data. So as you can see, the open, high, low, close is here, and the 8-period exponential moving average data here. I will enter the data. Once I will enter the data, it will tell us what type of conditions is today market is best suited to approach for, and based on that we will check. If it is condition 1, then we will go to the condition 1 to check the trading plan for the day. That's the idea. Now enter the let's enter the data here. So if I put the cursors on the first candle, and the open of the first candle was today 31450.25. I have entered the first data, that is the open. Now I have to enter the data of high. What is the high value? High is 31599. I have entered the high data. Now I have to enter the low data. What is the low? Low was 31,430. And what was the close data? The close was 31,558,558.45. And what is the 8-period exponential moving average? It will be appears here. So if I place the cursor over here, the 8-period exponential moving average is at 31,374.40. I have done with this, and at 9:30 you have to just enter this couple of data here, and then you have to go to the step to check the plan. As you can understand that it is now showing condition 1. Condition 1, yes, and it says check condition 1 tab. So we need to move to the condition 1 tab, and your trade plan is completely ready. What it says? It says place a buy order at 31602. So what we have to do is that we have to place a buy order at 31602. When we will place this buy order? At 9:30, after the first candle of the day completes. Why we are placing both buy order and sell order? This is the philosophy of trading like a gardener. We don't want to be rigid. We want to keep ourselves flexible, and we have a plan A and plan B. That's the reason we will place a buy order at 31602. We will place a sell order at 31427. We have placed these two. This is our buy order and this is our sell order. Now let's describe what is the exit plan described by this Banknifty Trading Pro 2.10. The exit plan is simple. It says exit if buy order triggered at 3:15. That means what? That means if the buy order execute for the day, then you should wait for 3:15. Target if sell order trigger. If the sell order trigger, then the target is 31113. That's the Excel automatically done for you. So this is the plan. Okay, we have an alternative target if buy order triggered. That is for conservative way or conservative approach. If you want to play safe, then if the buy order trigger, instead of holding the trade till 3:15, you can exit around 31,855. Let's see what's happened in today's market. As you can see that today's market never goes goes above the 31602 level. That's the reason we do not have any buy entry. Our sell trigger had executed here, and our target of the sell was 13113. So our target of sell 13113 was achieved shortly. So around 427 and 31 113, it's almost 300 point in Bank Nifty, which could be around roughly 6,500 plus profit. So I believe that you can now understand the trade procedures step by step, and you can do it by yourself. We explain the conditions one today, and gradually we will explain all the conditions comes into this Excel. And this Excel is very easy. It's made the Bank Nifty trading very simple. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day. I will come up with more videos on Bank Nifty trading shortly. Thank you so much. I appreciate your time and take care.